An innovative and first-of-its-kind partnership streaming content from influencers in real time into digital out-of-home space. This is the case study for luxury cruise brand Cunard, so let's hop on board. Great adventure, amazing food, and views that will take your breath away. Sounds like a journey to remember? Well, it certainly was for our influencers. In this campaign, which ran alongside PhD Media, Cunard, indaHash, and Clear Channel, influencers with a passion for photography and travel were invited on board a voyage up Norway's coastline into the Arctic Circle, where they brought Cunard's voyage to life. Now, the photographic journey was the first event voyage of this type that Cunard hosted, during which our influencers generated incredible content that the brand then used in digital out-of-home space. This content was found not only online, but also across 10 UK shopping malls, including Manchester Arndale Centre, Ealing Broadway, and Drake Circus in Plymouth. Well, you might be surprised to see pictures taken by influencers outside of Instagram, but here at indaHash, we're always one step ahead. How did we do it? Simple. Once the content was uploaded into the indaHash app, it was sent to Clear Channel to go across their digital out-of-home nationwide network. This innovative and first-of-its-kind partnership helped reach today's hyper-connected consumer in a memorable way, both on and offline. Four influencers were invited on a 14-day-long voyage aboard Cunard's luxury ship, the Queen Elizabeth. They posted 40 pieces of amazing content, ending the campaign with a 4% engagement rate. Well, I don't know about you guys, but my suitcase is already packed. I hope to see you on board. This has been the indaHash case study for luxury cruise brand Cunard. See you around. Bye.